Now, sometimes you are given the height of the pyramid, but not the height of the triangle. So that's what we're going to do. So this is one of the harder ones. So you just have to look carefully at the diagram. We already know the base is 12 times 12. That one is easy to do. So we have 144 cm squared for the base. Now for the height of the triangle, I'm going to try to use Pythagoras to work it out. So this is what I'm going to do. The red line is the height of the triangle. Now we know this side is 12 cm. That means from this point all the way through to the center to the other end is also 12 cm. And because this is the center, it makes this line half of 12, which makes it 6. And that is the height of the pyramid, which is 8. So my right angle triangle is height of 8 and a base of 6. Let's pull it aside. So using Pythagoras to find the red line, which is the hypotenuse, I'm going to use the addition rule. So it's the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared, and that will give me 10 cm. Now that I know the height of the triangle as 10, one triangle will be 12 times 10, because the base is 12 and the height is 10. So 12 times 10 divided by 2 is 60. 4 triangles will be 4 times 60 is 240. And total surface area will be the base area plus the area of the 4 triangles, which is 144 plus 240, and that is 384 cm squared.